Hi, I am Nicola Graham, Managing Director of BEE Change Ltd and author of the best-selling Build, Excite, Equip. I'm here today to talk about one of the assessments that we talk about within the methodology, known as the ABC Scorecards. I'd like to go through exactly the what, why, hows of this assessment and also give you an example today that might be useful for you. Don't forget to check out everything we do on bechange.co.uk, and also you can attend one of our training courses which will help go into this in more detail. But until then, let's begin. ABC Scorecards. Essentially, it is a set of KPIs that have been created and designed to be part of your project so that you can understand the success rating of your project with your people. The reason that you do this is because you want to understand exactly how close you are at a project success, i.e. have people actually embraced and adopted the product or the process that you are trying to introduce to them. And it's only through measuring this in a uniformed way that you can truly say, hurrah, we did it. So how do you do this? It's done via two assessments, one at the start of your project and the second at the end of your project. And if we talk about when you would do this, within our methodology, you would do this at build and equip stages. But also within your projects, you would do that as stage 1, known as your initiation, and also stage 4, your go live going into your closure. So essentially you want to assess them once at the start and another time during the go live or after the go live. It's a little bit of a washy space, but known as build and equip. So let's go through an example for you today. Okay, so the ABC scorecard is actually an acronym and it stands for A, adoption, B, be aware, and C, competence. And what you're trying to understand from these three parameters is, are people using and or willing to use this product? Are they talking about this product? Are they keen on this product? Are they aware? Do they understand the benefits of this product? And are they competent? Are they capable of using this product? So in an example, imagine you have 50 people and they're getting new tech. I know we talk a lot about technology in these examples, but that's a really good use case for the ABC scorecards. But it can be anything. It can be a process. It can be a change of any kind that's happening to your people. Essentially, in this example, we're talking about 50 people. They're going to have a change. They're going to use new technology. What you want to do is you want to have the questionnaire, and you need to design the questionnaire based on these questions. And don't forget, we have our templates as part of our course. And the first questions will be asked in stage 1, which is when you're really focusing on initiation. And there's a reason for that. And the second, as mentioned, will be stage 4 to 5. It's a bit of a grey area. You need to kind of do it as kind of in more of an agile way as you go through your go live, but it will lead into your closure as well. So that's go live and closure. And what you're going to do is you're going to ask certain questions based on whether they are whether they're willing to use, whether they're aware of why they should use, and if they are capable of using that. So you send the survey out. Ooh, that's supposed to be an error. Let's try that again. So you send the questions out to your user group, or you interview them based on the design of your project and how much time you have, but you're going to receive answers, and those answers will essentially be calculated by percentages. So for example, if you ask 5 questions, 5 questions, 5 questions, you're going to work out a percentage that people pass in each one of these. So if they get a 0 to 5 answer and they're rating 5, then you're expecting maybe 25 points. If they're getting 1s, then it's going to be low. And then what you can do is you can plot them on the triangle. So if this is Bob Dylan in red, we always use music. Bob Dylan may score low on adoption, as in he's not willing to use it. he may score low on competence, but he may be scoring high on his be aware. And all of a sudden you start to see these different pattern triangles. So if we now take another example and we say Sam Ryder is willing to use it. He understands the benefits of it very highly, but he's not capable of using it. You get another triangle. And one more for argument's sake, if we do Johnny Cash. Johnny Cash is, let's say he's quite technical, so he thinks quite highly that he can use the product. He's not willing to use the product, and he doesn't understand the benefits of this. What you can see is these different types of triangles coming out. So you do this assessment at the start, but something else that you do as part of this is you come up with your success criteria. Okay, so what you want to say is, I expect A, B, C to increase by X%, and that's obviously based on what you guys decide in your project boards. But you want to say, I want to measure ABC and I expect an increase of X% by the time we finish the project. So now let's fast forward to the end of the project. You now come back to these three people, and sadly I've just forgotten their names. And you send the questions out again and you base them on a calculation, and you look at your little triangle, B, C, and then you plot them again. So if Johnny Cash, for example, then has had all of the activities that we talk about in the ABC, for example, you're going to create really great marketing campaigns, you're going to provide them with great reasons for the product, and you're also going to teach them how to use the product. So you're going to put them through the machine of change activities. What you want to be seeing is basically bigger triangles. So if we go into Johnny Cash, Johnny Cash already was competent, but maybe he gets a bit more competent because he goes through training. Maybe he's then really aware and willing. So after answering this question, you notice he increases in his A, and maybe he is understanding the benefits. So all of a sudden our triangle for Johnny Cash is a lot bigger. We can say that we have successfully helped Johnny Cash adopt the product. Now, so Sam Ryder answers the question. He was already willing and understood the benefits, so chances are he may not change, he may even increase his triangle. Hopefully won't go down because that would be poor. But his competence was low at the time. Now imagine he still answered that low. So actually your Sam Ryder is looking quite similar to before. Now what you can then do is you can hone in and understand Sam Ryder is still not comfortable using this product because he hasn't answered higher in his competence scoring. So you can then focus some time for Sam Ryder and go, right, okay, so we need to give him more of our time to do training. That's supposed to be a clock, but Sam Ryder needs more support and more time with somebody to get him more competent. We can understand immediately that that person needs our help. And then the final person, Amy Winehouse, again, maybe she says she feels more confident, she knows how to use the system, she understands the benefits still, but maybe she's just not really willing to use it. Again, we can provide Amy, I'm pretty sure it wasn't Amy first time. Anyway, should write them down. Amy, we could then focus some more attention on helping her to understand how it's going to benefit her. So if we provide her that, she'll be more willing, and then you can look to support her better and get her score higher. Obviously then what you would then do, once you've gone through this churn mill, you would ask the questions to those specific people again. You'd expect their triangles to be better, and if they're not, you keep going and keep going and keep going until they are. And then, as part of your closure, you get this bad boy and you look at your percentages. There, my friends, you are therefore providing great KPIs measured on the people and their true opinions on your project and how they feel about your project, and you can demonstrate a really great quality about your user adoption and your project success. So that's just a snippet of what we've done today. We're obviously going through all of this detail in our training courses where you can sign up today and learn more and also get templates and questionnaires just for you. So until the next time, thank you and goodbye. And that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed today's content. Don't forget, guys, click and subscribe for more content coming your way very soon. And whilst you're at it, how about something free of charge? Yeah, that's right. I said free of charge. Sign up now, www.bechange.co.uk, where we are giving you a free change management course. That's right, the Build, Excite, Equip Foundation course, where we will educate you within 2 hours exactly why change management is crucial to project teams, but also how project teams can do this role within their existing activities. That's right, you truly can take people on that journey with you in your projects, and you can improve your project success. I promise you improved return on investment. Check it out today. Bye-bye.